Hey YouTube, this is Farmall 51 here, and yes, I'm wearing my international pith helmet, but I was wanted to take some pictures in the back of the field, and they set this out a little late, so well, I don't know about late, but this is the last they set out, so I wanted to get some pictures made with the tractor here, and I brought the drone with me. So, but as you can see, it's right decent back out here, and but yeah, it's rained a couple days ago, but we got dirt on the tire. But anyway, but yeah, I'll put some pictures in the description. But and I'm not putting the cultivators down. I didn't want to mess the man's field up. I was just driving through it. I guess it won't hurt anything. But anyway, you'll see these photos probably on. I've got to do a Farmall 51 Instagram account, because I have a personal account, but I've got so many people that want to be my friend, and I have my personal family photos and things like that on there. So, but I'm gonna probably have a account pretty soon. So look forward to that. But anyway, I figured I'd well, I guess it don't matter, but. Alright, I won't go through his field anymore other than that one spot right there. So, but anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope I got the phone turned the right way. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. And okay, I got a lot more videos to put up. I just ain't had time to get them up yet. So, but anyway, alright, thanks for watching.